Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your wealth with Vanguard step by step clearly. Begin by researching Vanguard's offerings and investment philosophy to understand their approach to wealth management. Visit the Vanguard website to explore the range of investment options available. Create an account on Vanguard's platform if you haven't already. Gather your financial information, including your income, expenses, and current investments. Define your investment goals, whether they be retirement savings, growth, or income generation. Select a suitable investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Consider using Vanguard's low-cost index funds as a primary investment vehicle due to their historical performance and low fees. Explore target date retirement funds if you prefer a hands-off approach that automatically adjusts your asset allocation over time. Review Vanguard's educational resources to enhance your understanding of different investment types and strategies. Establish an automatic investment plan if you want to consistently contribute to your portfolio over time. Regularly monitor your investments and performance through Vanguard's online tools and reports. Rebalance your portfolio annually or as needed to ensure your asset allocation remains aligned with your original investment goals. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs or 401(k)s, available through Vanguard to maximize your wealth growth. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you seek personalized guidance tailored to your financial situation. Stay informed about market conditions and economic factors that may impact your investment strategy. Build an emergency fund if you haven't already, ensuring you have cash available for unexpected expenses while your investments grow. Review estate planning options, including wills and trusts, to protect and transfer your wealth to future generations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.